Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the geography class of class 11. In today's class, we'll continue chapter number 31, World Climatic Types. Today, we'll study from page number 421 to page number 423. In our last class, we studied the following objectives. We studied about weather and climate, classification of climates, tropical or torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid or polar zone, low latitude climates that includes equatorial climate, monsoon and trade wind littoral climate, wet dry climate tropical climate, dry tropical desert climate. In today's class, we are going to study the following objectives. We will study the mid-latitude climates that includes the Mediterranean climate, marine west coast climate, dry subtropical climate, moist subtropical climate, moist continental climate, dry mid-latitude cold desert climate. Let us first go through the technical terms that are coming in today's topic. The first term here is mid-latitude, area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the south. The next term is Mediterranean climate. Climate found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea and the west coast of continents between 35 degree to 45 degree latitudes. Subtropical high pressure. The area between 30 degree to 35 degree latitude in both the hemispheres. Cyclone. A cyclone is a low pressure system in which the winds blow from the surrounding high pressure areas to a central low pressure area in a spiral way. Spiral way means in a circular way. Westerly winds or the westerlies. The permanent winds that blow from subtropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt in the both hemispheres. West European climate. The climate found along the western coast of continents from about 40 degree to 65 degree north and south latitudes. Annual range of temperature. The difference between the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature of 1 year. Temperate cyclone. The cyclone that occurs in the temperate region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the south. Weather. Condition of atmosphere for short time in a small area is termed as weather. Sunny, rainy, windy, etc. are the examples of weather. Steppes. A type of temperate grassland found in the Eurasia. Maritime climate. Climate found in the coastal areas. Such climate is mild or moderate. Means summers are not so hot and winters are not so cold. Hurricane. Destructive tropical cyclones in the Atlantic Ocean and the Northeast Pacific Ocean. Typhoon. Destructive tropical cyclone in the Northwest Pacific Ocean and East China Sea. Plateau. A highland with flat irregular surface is called a plateau. The example is Deccan Plateau. Now, let's start the chapter from page number 421. The mid-latitude climates. The mid-latitude zone extends from the Tropic of Cancer to the Arctic Circle in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle in the south, as you can see in this picture. There can be slight variations on both sides depending upon the regional conditions. The mid-latitudes have mild climate of which are neither too hot as those of tropical zones nor too cold as those of the high latitudes. Low latitudes are the areas near the equator and high latitudes are the areas near the poles. In other words, we can say that these climates are in between the tropical hot climates and high latitude cold climates. This zone contains 6 climates. They are Mediterranean climate, marine west coast climate, dry subtropical climate, moist subtropical climate, moist continental climate, and dry mid-latitude cold desert climate. First of all, we'll study about the Mediterranean climate. The Mediterranean climate is found along the west coast of the continents between 13 degree to 45 degree latitudes. It is bounded by arid lands on the equator side and the marine west coast European climate on the poleward side. The Mediterranean climate is so called because it is found all around the Mediterranean Sea. So, it includes the countries of Southern Europe and Northern Africa. So, we can say that it includes the countries like Spain, France, Italy, Greece, and Turkey of Europe, the Asian Turkey, Lebanon and Israel, Morocco, Algeria, Tunis, Libya and Egypt in North Africa. The other areas of Mediterranean climate include Central California, Central Chile, southern part of South Africa, southeastern and southwestern part of Australia. These areas come under the influence of subtropical high pressure conditions during summer and cyclonic low pressure conditions during the winters. This is due to the seasonal shift of pressure belts, which is the result of annual movement of the sun. In other words, we can say that these areas are in the northern part of the trade wind belt in summer and so are hot and dry like the deserts which join them on the site nearer to the equator. In winter, however, these regions come under the belt of westerly winds and so it enjoy moist and mild weather. In other words, this is a winter rain climate. Contrast it with the monsoon or summer rain climate, but the monsoon climate is on the whole a much hotter one due to the latitude where it is located. In this region, most of the rainfall occurs in the winter season, which we can see from this bar graph. It represents the rainfall in San Francisco, which belongs to the Mediterranean climate, with the help of the bar graph. So here we can see that January, February, March, November and December are the rainy months, whereas in the summers there is no rainfall or less rainfall. This second bar graph represents the amount of rainfall in Mangalore, which belongs to the monsoon climate. Here we can see that June, July, August and September are the rainy months, while the winters are dry with less rainfall or no rainfall. Here the rainfall is moderate and it varies between 40 centimeter to 60 centimeter. The summers are warm and dry, temperature being between 20 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Winters are mild with temperature ranging between 6 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. The annual range of temperature is about 10 degrees Celsius to 17 degrees Celsius. Now children, we'll study about the marine west coast climate, which is a second type of climate under the mid-latitude climates. The marine west coast climate is found along the western coast of continents from about 40 degree to 65 degree north and south latitudes. Since it mainly prevails in West Europe, it is also known as West European climate or British type of climate. In North and South America, this climate is found only in a narrow belt along the west coast due to the presence of mountain barriers like Rockies and Andes. New Zealand and the southeastern tip of Australia also experience this climate. This climate is influenced by the westerlies and the related temperate cyclones. As a result of this, the weather remains highly variable and unpredictable throughout the year. Winters are mild and summers are cool. The average annual temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. The total annual rainfall is 140 centimeter, which is well distributed throughout the year. It means that rainfall is almost in every month in a year. However, the winters are more rainier than the summers. Now children, it's the time to study the third climatic type, that is dry subtropical climate of the mid-latitude climates. Dry subtropical climate is also known as semi-arid or steppe type of climate, and sometimes we name it as temperate grasslands. This climate extends from 30 degree to 45 degree north and south latitudes. Since areas experiencing steppe climate are located in the continental interiors, they are deprived of maritime influences. Consequently, the annual rainfall is meager or very less and unreliable and is restricted to 30 centimeter only. The largest area of steppe climate is in Eurasia, extending from the Caspian Sea to Central Asia, which you can see in this map clearly. Prairies of North America, pampas of South America, veld of South Africa, downs of Murray-Darling Basin of Australia also experience steppe type of climate. The average annual temperature is 21 degrees Celsius and the annual range of temperature is 13 degrees Celsius. And as I told you earlier, the rainfall is very less. It is about 30 centimeter or less. So, rainfall is not sufficient to support the growth of trees, so only grass grows here. The steppes located on the poleward side of the deserts receive maximum rainfall during the cool season, while those located towards the equator receive it during the warm season. Now children, let's study about the fourth climate of the mid-latitude climate region. It is moist subtropical climate or humid subtropical climate. The moist subtropical climate is found along the eastern coast of the continents between 25 degree to 45 degree latitudes. This climate is most widespread in China and is also known as China type climate. This type of climate is also called as Gulf type or natal type of climate. Other areas include southeastern United States, Uruguay, Argentina, southern Brazil, southern Japan, and eastern coastal belt of Australia. The climate is different from the Mediterranean climate in the sense that summer season has more rainfall than winter. Summers are therefore hot and humid while winters are mild. The average annual rainfall is 100 centimeter, which is well distributed throughout the year. Well distributed throughout the year means that rainfall is in every month in a year. The average annual temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and the annual range of temperature is about 17 degrees Celsius. These areas experience hurricanes and typhoons, which are cyclones, mostly in the late summer and autumn. These cyclones rise from Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean and are very destructive. They bring huge destruction to life and property every year in these areas. Now we will study the fifth climate, that is moist continental climate, which is a part of the mid-latitude climates. Moist continental climate is situated in the interior parts of the big continents between the taiga and the mid-latitude deserts. In Eurasia, it spreads from Poland and Baltic states to the central Russian plain. Beyond the Ural Mountains, the belt is narrow and runs along the 55-degree latitude. In North America, this climate is found in the northern states of United States and the southern part of the central states of Canada. The summers are short and warm while winters are long and severe. Summer's temperature varies from 10 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius but falls below freezing point in winter. Precipitation is variable and comes mostly in summer as rainfall. Winter precipitation is in the form of snow. Now is the time to discuss the last climate type, that is the dry mid-latitude cold deserts, which is a part of the mid-latitude climates. The mid-latitude deserts are usually found on plateaus outside the tropics. These regions are very dry because they are located far from the sea. The annual rainfall rarely exceeds 25 centimeter. Most of the cold deserts, like those of Central Asia, are surrounded by lofty mountains and are cut off from the rain-bearing winds. They are much colder in the cold season and are covered with snow. Summer temperatures are sufficiently high, but winter temperatures often fall below the freezing point. Examples of the temperate deserts are the deserts of Gobi in Central Asia, Colorado in North America, and Patagonia Desert in South Argentina. Try to locate these three deserts in this map. So with this, we complete our today's topic. It is the time to give you homework. Your homework is to go through the exercises given on page 425, 426 and 427. I will read the questions for you Exercise number 1, very short answers type questions. Question number 5, which climate has rainfall in winter and practically no rainfall in summer? On next page, that is page number 426, question number 7, listed below are some important characteristics of a few climatic types. Name the climatic types of which they refer to. It is part number 5, warm and dry summer, mild winter, moderate rainfall mostly in winter. Sixth part, short summer temperature ranging between 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, long and very cold winters, low precipitation mostly in the warmer months. Exercise second, question number 3, compare the following climates. Third part, hot deserts and cold deserts. Fourth part, China and West European. Question number 4, account for the following. Part number 4, Mediterranean climate is characterized by dry summers and moist winters. Next is page 427, exercise 3rd, long answer type questions. Question number 3, Mediterranean climate is unique with respect to its rainfall regime and has dry summer but wet winter. Illustrate the statement. Next we have map work. Mark and label the following on an outline map of the world. Fifth part, Mediterranean climate, areas surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. Children, you have to write some answers in your copy. The first question is, name the climates of mid-latitude climates. Explain the Mediterranean climate. Question number 2, write a short note on the following. A, marine west coast climate. B, moist continental climate. Question number 3, differentiate between dry subtropical climate and moist subtropical climate. Question number 4, write a note on dry mid-latitude cold deserts climate. The map work for today is, on the outline map of the world, mark and label the areas of the following climate. A, Mediterranean climate. B, marine west coast climate. Dry subtropical climate. D, moist subtropical climate. E, moist continental climate. And F, dry mid-latitude cold deserts climate. Hope that you have understood today's topic. You must read the topic from page number 421 to page number 423. See the given school link and YouTube link. Go through the back exercises and learn the question answers. We will soon meet in the next video with next topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.